commenting by one estimate, 3/5 of the USA from sea to shining sea is dry. And you can see how dry on the mighty Mississippi River, which is where we find ABC's Ryan Owens tonight.
You're looking at an Indiana golf course. It's so dry, balls drop through the cracks of what any other summer is a water hazard. In Nebraska, this river is so low, the fish have no place to swim. And the Mississippi River isn't nearly as mighty as it should be. This seems to me that we're starting to get a little thin here, right?
Very thin.
George Lovell runs a towboat company in Memphis. His crews navigate massive barges through these increasingly narrow channels dotted with dry docks. One of his
You
main
look like a
challenges
wet
is
dog.
an island that appears right
Huh?
in front of his boat.
You a wet dog?
Watch when our captain hit a shallow spot. Nothing but thick, dark mud spewing from the back of the boat. The river is more than 17 feet below normal. Crews are forced to lighten the load on these barges so they won't run aground, increasing the cost of transporting everything from coal to corn. Today, the Agriculture Secretary updated the president on just how dire this drought has become.
I get on my knees every day, and I'm saying an extra prayer now. If I had a rain prayer or rain dance I could do, I would do it.
Ryan Owens, ABC News, Memphis.
And now we move to politics. Your voice, your vote.
That's my dog.
111 days to go until voters go to the polls. And Governor Mitt Romney is closing in on his choice for vice president. Today, both he and his wife Ann spoke out. Here's ABC's Tom Carroll.
Who's he going to pick? That was the question of Mitt Romney again today. This time from a voter who wants a Tea Partier as vice president.
I can assure you that even though I have not chosen the person
You know I'm gonna have to hose you down.
person will be a
Hmm?
conservative.